This video guide is about getting rid of the web push notifications that are related to the website Thedralinth.buzz. Thedralinth.buzz is a malicious site that attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to make them click on this allow button, supposedly to help users continue their browsing. The truth is that it's definitely a mistake to click on allow. This would hijack your browser right away with multiple pop-ups that will be attacking the screen from time to time. You need to fix your browser and to stop these ads, because if the allow button was clicked, your browser will be hijacked. To fix your browser and to stop these ads, access the menu, Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, then in Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to display notifications and remove this malicious one, Thedralinth.buzz, from the list. To make sure that your computer is free of other threats, consider scanning it with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on this page, combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.